Hello everyone. I am back today with a card share. Like I had in the video yesterday, I just got this new stamp set from Craft & Kimmy called Leaping Lizards, and I am in love with it. I think that these lizards are just so fun and cute, whimsical, quirky, you name it. So I couldn't wait to create a card, and so that's exactly what I did. So today I'm back with a card share. So some of the products I used this stamp set, again, Craft & Kimmy, Leaping Lizards from their new release. I used the Mermaid Melody Craftin' Colors ink. I used the new Lucky Limeade Craft & Kimmy Colors ink and the Fresh Fields Craft & Kimmy colored ink. That's a lot of Craft & Kimmy colors. I used the Rainbow Bright Craft & Kimmy dots. I know that Craft & Kimmy is no longer making the dots, so what she has on the site is basically what she has. They're super cool, easy to use. So if you want some, I would go scoop them up. Again, just a reminder, Craft & Kimmy is a Canadian company, so all of the prices are in the Canadian dollar. But it's super easy to buy from. PayPal does the conversion for you if you are in the States. And I just love Craft & Kimmy products. I also used my Whimsy Stamps Slimline Marquee die. I really like the slimline cards. I used the new Luscious Leaves Craft & Kimmy stencil. And then one of my favorite things to do is make clouds. So I used the My Favorite Things Mini Cloud Edges stencil as well. On to the reason you are here, to see my card. Didn't that turn out adorable? I really like how it turned out. I colored the lizards with Copics. I fussy cut them out and they are popped up on some dimensionals. The clouds you can see in the backgrounds there, and then that Luscious Leaves stencil is around the edges, and then there's those dots. I can't wait to send this off to somebody. And that awesome sentiment, Leaping Lizards, you're awesome. I mean, how fun is that? I did have a giggle when I was making the clouds. I had cut these out so that, you know, the individual pieces so that I could do the clouds and then put them on there. But it wasn't really thinking. And let's see, it's on this one, I believe. I had it like this when I was stenciling it, but then when you went to put it in, the clouds were upside down. Although that would have been cool, wasn't quite ready to go quite that extreme with this card. So at least I have a couple cloud panels for another time. So again, there's my card with the new Craft & Kimmy Leaping Lizard stamp set. I'm sure you will be seeing this quite often, as I think it is probably one of my new favorite stamp sets. I hope that you enjoyed your visit to my channel today. If you did, I hope that you'll click that button down below to subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. And until my next video, I hope you can go do something for yourself. Get crafty, go crafty shopping. I think us crafters also like to reorganize once in a while. And I will see you again soon.